Flashcard 16. How and where are tsunamis formed? Tsunamis are most often formed in the deep ocean by large, sudden displacements of water. This displacement is usually caused by underwater earthquakes at tectonic plate boundaries, but can also be triggered by volcanic eruptions or landslides. The energy from this event creates a series of long waves that travel outward. These waves can travel across entire oceans and grow to immense heights as they approach the coast, causing catastrophic destruction to coastal areas. Flashcard 17. Explain the effects or consequences of a tsunami with examples. The sheer force of a tsunami can flatten entire coastal communities, leading to a high death toll. For example, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami killed over 230,000 people and destroyed countless homes and businesses across 14 countries. The destruction of infrastructure like ports, roads, and power grids cripples local and national economies. Fishing fleets and agricultural lands are often ruined by saltwater inundation, wiping out livelihoods for coastal communities. The powerful waves can permanently alter coastlines, destroy sensitive ecosystems like mangrove forests and coral reefs, and contaminate freshwater sources with saltwater and debris. This can make land infertile for years. Survivors often experience long-term psychological distress, including PTSD and anxiety. Entire social structures are broken as families are separated and communities are displaced, leading to a loss of cultural identity and support networks. Flashcard 18. Smart City. An urban area that uses technology and data-driven solutions to improve the efficiency of services and quality of life for its residents. This includes using digital tools to manage everything from traffic and energy consumption to public safety and waste management. Flashcard 19. Smart Cities Mission. The Smart Cities Mission was launched on 25th June 2015 by the Government of India. It aims to enhance the quality of life in 100 selected cities by providing efficient services, robust infrastructure, and a sustainable environment. Flashcard 20. How do smart cities, missions, in India address the issues of urban poverty and distributive justice? The mission converges with schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) to provide housing for the urban poor, improve sanitation, and rehabilitate slums, thereby enhancing living conditions and dignity. Smart cities promote economic inclusion by setting up skill development centers and linking with programs like the National Urban Livelihood Mission (NULM). This helps create employment opportunities, particularly in IT-enabled services and waste management. The use of technology and data-driven solutions improves the equitable distribution of basic services like water, sanitation, and electricity, especially in low-income areas. For example, IoT-enabled water supply systems can reduce leakages and ensure fair access. Initiatives like establishing digital kiosks and providing Wi-Fi hotspots bridge the digital divide, allowing marginalized communities to access e-governance services, education, and job portals. The mission encourages citizen engagement through digital platforms and community consultations, aiming to ensure that the needs of all residents, including the poor, are considered in urban planning and decision-making. It's time to take a break. Relax, sip some water, take a short walk, or rewind to review the last 5 flashcards.